Hey guys, what's up? Spads here once again with another GoPro Max video tutorial for you. Today I'm gonna be teaching on how to make a simple GoPro Max 360 video, convert it into a tiny planet so we can post it on social media, just like this one. Okay, so GoPro Max is a very powerful 360 camera when you are doing your moto vlogs or travel vlogs, when you're filming yourself. Just like this one, you can capture every moment without you having the trouble of positioning yourself or having someone take a picture of you. You just have to mount the camera on your bike on the handlebar, then press record and let the camera do its thing. So before we proceed to the tutorial, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe and follow my social media account before we proceed. That helps this video and this channel a lot. Okay, so let's go on right ahead. Normally what I do is when I ride, I just mount the GoPro Max camera on my handlebar, press record, and then I just go ahead and ride, whether if it's sunrise, sunset, or midday, as long as I have something interesting on the background, special moments that, you know, takes your breath away. I press record and then the camera does its thing. Okay, and then after that, I go home, I get the file, and then I upload it to my computer, and then I drag the footage to my Adobe Premiere. If you don't know how to convert the 360 files to an editable file, I have a video detailing about that. I'm gonna put it in the description below. I'm not gonna discuss on how to do that in this video. We're gonna focus on how to do a tiny planet out of your raw 360 footage. Okay, so with that all done, converting the 360 and then dragging it to the GoPro Premiere, we're gonna add the GoPro Max Reframe FX on the video itself. If you don't know how to do that or don't know what is GoPro FX, you can look it up on YouTube. There are a lot of tutorials out there detailing about that. I also have a video, the same video, giving you a explanation how to get that and how to install that on the Adobe Premiere. The link is in the description. Okay, so once we have the GoPro FX on the video itself, right here, so I have the video of the GoPro Max facing me. Also take note that this is a 360 video, so everything around it is being recorded just like this one. Okay, so this is a 35-second footage of a GoPro Max 360 video right here. Okay, so I'm gonna pick this one right here. I'm gonna pick this frame or this angle or this shot because one, the sunset below in the background is penetrating on my helmet, and the position of my helmet on my body is going sideways, and it makes a cool position or a cinematic position or a dramatic position when you post it up on social media. So I'm gonna pick this one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna rearrange the footage using the GoPro FX Reframe so that we can create a tiny planet. Okay, to create a tiny planet using the GoPro FX Reframe, all you have to do is go to the tilt camera option, input the -90 degrees. Okay, that will tilt down the camera on the ground, and then just zoom out, go to the zoom camera option, and then just decrease it until you get a tiny planet, just like that. Okay, so maybe you're wondering right now, how do I export this video file into an image file? So it's really simple. All you have to do is just click this export frame icon, the camera icon. It will take a single frame of the video, okay, and it will save it on your hard drive as a image file. So I'm gonna click that. Okay, you can rename it. I'm gonna name this tiny planet. You can actually pick a format, BMP, use JPEG. Okay, and then you can also click or select the import into project. That will automatically import the image file on your project so you can view it. So once this is done, make sure that you take note of the path of the file so that you will know where it is saved. But I can show you an easier way to find the file. So right now we're gonna click OK, and then it automatically will import it on our project window right here. Once that's imported, all you have to do is just right click and then reveal in Explorer. Okay, so right now this is our file right here. So this is a perfect shot of a tiny planet, which is very easy. I use this a lot. I use this technique a lot when I want to post some 360 images from my ride or from my travel vlogs, so I can, repurpose my videos into creating some social media postings, Instagram and Facebook. After this, you can either edit this on Photoshop or Lightroom so that you can enhance the colors, okay, or you can add texts like a riding coat or something like that, so that you can customize the image that you have taken from the GoPro Max 360 as a tiny planet. Okay, so I hope that you learned something from our tutorial today. Make sure that you hit the thumbs up. It will help my video a lot, and make sure that you subscribe and follow my social media accounts. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Okay, bye.